What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be taking down these twists that I put in a couple days ago. If you watch the live where I use the Nature's Little Secret Papaya Twist and Style Cream to twist up my hair, then you know that this is the twist out from me installing the twist in that live. Okay, if you haven't seen the live, I'll link it here so you can go check it out. Guys, it's blurry, so I explained to you in that live why it's blurry and why I went on and did the live with my old computer, because I didn't want to reschedule the live. But anyway, so my hair is now dry from that live, and I'm going to take down these twists and we're going to see how this product works and how I feel about it. So yeah, let's go ahead and start taking out the twist. I do feel like it has some hold to it, at least, you know, while my hair is twisted. It feels like it's going to have some pretty good hold. And, but as I'm taking them out, my hair is still soft, so there's no crunch at all. And I'm just separating once, so I'm pulling down on the twist. And, well, that one wasn't once. It depends, I guess. So I'm unraveling my twists in the opposite direction that I put them in. I have two, and then I pull on it, and wherever it naturally wants to separate, that's where I separate. So sometimes it's one, like that one was 3. Sometimes it's 1, sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 3. So you let your hair decide. But yeah, that's all I do is where is it? Here it is. I just pull on it, and then you'll see it starting to separate, and then you just pull apart, and that's going to help you alleviate some frizz. For those of you who say that you always get frizz, if you're forcing your twist apart, that will give you frizz. So yeah, I want to let you know that. So just kind of pull down on it, and then let it separate where it naturally wants to separate. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up.
Afraid, emotions getting in your way. Afraid, but why you let me fall in love if you're afraid to commit?
Guys, I can definitely tell that I twisted my hair differently than how I normally twist it based on how it's falling today. And because when I was twisting it on the live, I didn't have my regular mirror in front of me. I was trying to use the blurry monitor. So I'm pulling hair, and based on how my hair is laying, I definitely twisted it differently. So I want to say that too. So if you know how you like your hair to lay, then twist it in that direction so it lays that way. Okay, so that can make or break your twist out too, because this twist out right here, look, a hot mess. And not because of the products, because if you can tell, I have a lot of definition. I have a lot of definition. And I normally like my hair bigger than this too. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate some more to get it bigger while I talk to you. Now, by me doing this, it will cause me more frizz, but I'm okay with that. So you guys decide, do you want definition and let it expand on its own throughout the week? Leave it like it is. But if you like bigger hair and you don't mind, you know, possibly adding a little bit of frizz to your hair, then go ahead and separate some more and it'll get a little bit bigger. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do it perfectly. I'm just gonna grab some pieces and start separating. It's not gonna be uniform or anything like that. I'm just grabbing pieces that feel kind of thick and I'm gonna pull them apart to try to give me a little bit more height. So this twist out cream felt nice and smooth going onto the hair, and it had a light scent to it. I will say that my hair is definitely defined, but for some reason it doesn't feel as soft as some of my other twist outs feel. Now, I am going to leave that there. I'm not going to say much more about that because if you look at the live, you know, based on my live, that I had an unusual wash day, okay? And I just did. I had an unusual wash day, so I don't know if it has something to do with that or not. Now, my hair is not hard by any means. It does feel moisturized. It just doesn't have that, well, when I do like this, it kind of feels a little bit smooth, but it also feels very textured in areas, and that could be because the way that I twisted it, I did not smooth it at all with a tool, a brush or a comb. When I twisted it, I just used my fingers, which is what I normally do. So I wouldn't think that that would have anything to do with it, but it could, especially since, like I said, I applied my deep conditioner outside the shower, which I don't normally do. Then I left my leave-in in for an hour and a half, almost 2 hours before I ever started to twist my hair, which I never do that. I usually do the leave-in and then come right up and add the twist butter to lock in the moisture from the leave-in. So that was a little bit different. So anyway, guys, I'm not going to do a whole lot more to it. I'm going to leave it like this because I have to run out. But I don't think it's a bad twist out. I think the shape of it is a little awkward because of how I twisted it. When I got off the live and saw how my twists were going back like that, I was like, what was I thinking? What was I thinking? Because normally I don't have my twist going back like that, but anyway. So yeah, it'll do. This is it. It'll do. I do feel like my hair looks healthy. It has a healthy sheen to it, not overly shiny or anything like that, but it definitely has a healthy sheen to it. It has a lot of definition. Even though I pulled my hair apart and I have a little bit more frizz, I still have a lot of definition. I don't think people looking at my hair will be able to see the frizz, but I can, because I know what I did. So keep that in mind too. You guys who say my hair is so frizzy with a twist out and blah, 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 blah. Because you see the frizz don't mean someone else is going to see the frizz. So yeah, but yeah, my hair is not laying like it normally does, but it'll be all right. It's going to be all right. So yeah, this is it, guys. All in all, I'm going to say that I like the line. But again, like I said in the live, I do want to revisit the deep conditioner to make sure that it does what I want it to do for my hair. So I want to make sure that I use it like I normally use deep conditioners. And then I want to restyle my hair again, where I come up here right after I apply my leave-in, or you know, I don't have to be up here filming it, but when I use it again, I want to make sure that I do everything like I normally do, so I can give a more thorough and honest review. Not that this isn't honest, this is just me telling how I feel right now based on the differences that I did this time. So, but y'all know I love Nature's Little Secret products, so you know, I'm gonna tell you the truth no matter what. So yeah, even if this one end up not working as well, I mean, it works. Look at my hair, it works. But even if it is not a favorite of mine in the future, that's okay, because a lot of her stuff is a favorite. So, you know, not everything is going to work for everybody, no matter how much you like a brand, okay? My hair just feels, it does feel soft. There's no crunch. It definitely feels soft, but it feels very not as smooth. Not as smooth as my hair usually feels. But yeah, this is it, guys. Let me know what you think. How do you think my hair turned out using the Nature's Little Secret Papaya line? Let me know if you guys have used it, what you think about it in the comment section below. Will you pick it up based on this review? Again, I am going to, you know, reuse it, revisit it, and do an update on it later to let y'all know if my thoughts have changed. But right now, I like it. I definitely really like the shampoo. I felt like it was cleansing without stripping. And the deep conditioner did have some slip to it, so it was able to help soften my hair and get tangles out. So I do like that. I'm not sure if it has as much slip as the other ones, because again, I did it outside the shower and I wasn't using the water to help, you know, get it through, and the air had hit my hair and things like that. So so that could have a difference there. The leave-in conditioner I liked. I felt like it smoothed on the hair nicely. I felt like it soaked in without sitting on top. Those are things that I love about leave-ins. I want them to soak in. I don't want to see a whole lot of white sitting on top, and this definitely did that. And when I took off my cap to start twisting, my hair felt really soft and plush and luscious, so I like that about it. And then I went in with the twist cream, which applied very nicely. I think I may have used too much. That could be another reason why it feels a little bit differently than what my twist outs normally feel, but a little goes a long way, so that's always a plus. But it did slide on nicely and things like that. And it definitely gave definition. It definitely gave definition to my hair, so it is one that I feel like would give you the definition you want to get you through multiple days. So yeah, so right now those are all positives. The only thing, like I said, that I just feel like my hair doesn't feel as smooth for some reason. And then I did my hair at night and I put that little net on and I let that sit for a while before I put my bonnet on, which I don't normally do. Normally I'll do my hair during the day and I just let my hair off. I don't put anything on it. I just let it dry regularly while I'm doing things around the house. The night that I twisted it, I didn't have a lot to do around the house, so I put that net on. And then of course I'm laying back and I'm watching TV and everything. So that could have something to do with the roughness of my hair too. It probably just didn't lay as smooth as it normally does. So we'll see. But I'll come back, like I said, and let y'all know. But right now, I like the products. I would say if you're interested, they're definitely worth picking up and trying. I'm not going to say, you know, yeah, get it, you're gonna love it and all that. I'm just gonna say, I think that they're worth picking up and trying. I think they're good products, good ingredients. They did what they said that they were going to do. I just got to see how I feel about them and if I can get my hair to feel like it normally feels when I do my regular wash day. So that's it, guys. I know that was a lot of rambling, but I just wanted to explain it to you now. I got to get out of here. So okay, guys, I'm back to show you third day hair after using the Nature's Little Secret Papaya Twist and Style Cream. I actually used the whole line. So this is third day hair. It is gloomy today. It's rainy today. I don't plan on going out anywhere, but I wanted to at least get on and let you guys see third day hair. So I'm not going to say a lot about it because what I said previously still stands. I've only used these products once. I had a kind of different wash day, so I do want to use them again and do my routine like I normally do and see if there are any changes. But right now I'm going to say that I do like the Twist and Style cream. I think that it gives a really good definition. I still have a lot of definition in my hair, even though I did big chunky twists like I do to kind of stretch my hair out to see if it'll loosen up some of the definition. It didn't twist out, it didn't loosen the definition too much. So that goes to show you that this product does have a lot of hold, in my opinion. Now, it's not crunchy or anything like that, but again, y'all see my hair, it has definition to it. Okay, so I'm gonna go with that. I haven't had to re-moisturize it. It still feels soft. It still feels moisturized. It doesn't look as shiny as what I normally get with Nature's Little Secret products. So yeah, that's a little bit concerning, but I think it's worth a try. I think the line is worth a try if you want to try it, but I can't say whether or not it's going to be a staple or a favorite of mine until I use it again. Right now, I'm going to say I like some of the other things from her line better. I like a lot of the other things better, but I'm taking everything I'm saying with a grain of salt because of my horrible wash day. So yeah, but I did want to at least let y'all see third day hair. So this is it. Y'all tell me what you think in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.